Hello everyone, this is Rakshita and currently pursuing my BCom ACCA from IFIM College. So far it has been an incredible journey for me. It was not just a degree for me, but it was an experience which made me a skillful individual. What sets this program unique is its integration with ACCA. Each and every class of ACCA feels closer towards my professionals. For instance, the classes like financial reporting and audit and assurance makes me to feel that it is not more important to clear your exams, but it is more important to gain the relevant knowledge about it. Coming to the faculties are neither chartered accountant nor a ACCA qualified professors, and many of the faculties are also PhD holders, which made me the more accessible towards the faculties regardless the subject. Then more additional to this, the webinars, workshop and industrial tours which provided us a practical knowledge about the concepts. For instance, a recent industrial tour for IKEA made us to gain a knowledge about retail marketing. Then coming to a more exciting part of my journey is culturals. Being a Bharatanatyam and Akshagana artist, culture is more important for me. This college has provided many opportunities for me to showcase my talent. For example, representing IFIM College in intercollegiate competitions too, and every performance in this college was also been so rewardful for me. Then representing IFIM College in intercollegiate competitions to representing IFIM College at IIT Madras in BComACCA workshop has gained me a more knowledge and made me closer towards my roots. Then coming to more exciteful about my journey is getting the Kanyathon Scholarship. This does not only relieve my financial burden, but it also made me to work harder towards my goal. It was also a proof that I was a dedicated student towards my studies. I would like to thank IFM College for that, and I'm so happy to be a part of such a very good initiatives. So thank you IFM for giving me such a beautiful opportunities to showcase who I am and improving who I am. Thank you.